So subject are two parts, microprocessor and microcontroller. You know that microprocessor? Amit?
Yes, sir. It's a chip. It's like an IC, right?
Yes, microprocessor just only chip. And what's the work?
Uh, it,
That does is
it acts as a, sir. It acts as to record or to store the information, something like that. That's my that's what I think.
you know that computer, define computer.
سؤال منودي. Sir, sir.
What is computer?
Computer.
Yes.
Computers are is a machine that we use to store our information.
Is the appropriate definition. Computer noted. All are noted this. Okay. Computer is a complicated electronic device. Computer is a complicated electronic device. It's capable of accepting data. It's capable of accepting data, process it according to be a prescribed rules, and supplying result of that processing. What computer? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Computer definition, these are three parts. At first, collect information, then this the processing, and finally this the supplying result of that processing. If your processing is wrong, then your result is must be wrong. Okay, your input is wrong, so our output is must be wrong. So this is the very important part, the processing. Okay, and processing, this is the process unit name is microprocessor. Okay, clear? All are clear?
Yes, 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 sir.
Must be response 1 or 2%. So at first definition, computer. So computer, it is the complicated electronic device. Okay. It's capable of accepting data and process it according to be a prescribed rules. This is the process, it's a some rules, processing rules. Okay, process it according to a prescribed rules. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Prescribed rules and supplying result of that processing. Result must be depend on the processing part. If your processing is wrong, your result must be wrong. Suppose you just cooking rice or cooking food, any vegetables, so must be this is the some rules and regulation, processing rules. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If your processing is wrong, then this vegetable is not tasty. Okay. So depend on your processing. Okay. Clear?
Yes. Okay.
So
yes, sir.
Processing is right, then this is the very tasty. Okay. So must be this the depend on your processing, and processing part control is the processor. Okay. So processor is the very important in our computer or in whole part, processing part. Our processor, you know that our processor is our brain. Clear?
Yes,
It
sir.
is,
Yes.
sorry, sir.
Brain, brain,
Human processor, human processor,
Drain mode, drain.
brain. Okay. Is the
brain ولا مسكها البني ادم كانوا او processor is
Ah,
brain.
okay.
human processor. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is very important. Yeah. So
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
topics is processor, and processor is not computer. Our computer is the part of electronics, because our definition first part, computer is a complicated electronic device. So computer department is the depend on the electronics. Okay, your department divide, then is the computer another different department. Okay, your department is top electrical and electronics department. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this our some topics. I will complete these topics in this semester. These are 886 microprocessor. Okay, so no problem. This is the microprocessor definition. Program controlled semiconductor device. This is the program controlled semiconductor device. This is the IC, integrated circuit, okay, which faces from memory, decodes and execute instruction. Execute. Okay, instruction means, yeah, suppose you just complete the program, one program. Suppose you are going to the university, so this is the program, and this program execute must be needed some instruction. At first you just ready, then you collect your important documents, and then you go to the campus. Okay, so this is the step instruction. Okay, if
Yes, sir.
missing one instruction, your program not fully complete. So program means not only computer program. Program means any kind of program. Okay, you just your program is birthday program. Okay, and birthday program celebrate. So you need some instruction. Okay, and execute some instruction. If all instruction execute, then this program is successful. Okay, there. So
Okay, sir.
instruction this is the part of the program. Okay, combine all instruction is the fulfill the program. Okay, so
Okay.
microprocessor is the program control semiconductor device. This is the IC, and which faces from memory, decode, and at first this is the collect from data or information, then this the must be decoded. Okay, you know that decoder already
Yes.
complete our previous semester. Encoder, decoder. Okay, so must be decode this the information. If not decode, computer not understand this. Okay, at first decoded, then this the execute, this the instruction. Okay, so So this called microprocessor. It is used as CPU, central processing unit in computer. Okay, microprocessor is the another name is CPU. Okay, used as CPU in computer. Okay, CPU means central processing unit. Clear?
Okay.
So this is the generation.
First generation. 1979. Soomaali dagaal ay ku jirto. Bangladesh.
Yeah, this is the generation. First generation is the first generation means first develop the microprocessor. This is the Intel company. Intel company is the develop the first microprocessor. This the time duration 1971 to 1973 is the technology using technology PMOS. You know that PMOS, P-type metal oxide semiconductor.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, repeat it.
Beta.
PMOS, okay, MOSFET. MOSFET technology using the MOSFET field effect transistor. So microprocessor must be designed that transistor. Use transistor, use this microprocessor. Okay, use transistor. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Our microprocessor, this is the Pentium 1. This is the very old processor. You know that Pentium 1, then Pentium 2, Pentium 3. Then now our processor is Core i7, Core i5. Okay, but this the processor is fast processor. This is the Intel processor. This is the 4-bit microprocessor. 4-bit. Okay. Microprocessor IC number Intel 4004. Intel, noted this. Intel 4004.
Intel
4004. This is the 4-bit microprocessor. 4-bit means at a time 4 data passing this the system. Okay, incoming, outgoing at a time 4-bit working. Okay,
4004, right?
processor name 4004. Intel. Okay, and this is the fast microprocessor.
First microprocessor name, right?
Yes, fast microprocessor name 4004. This is the first generation microprocessor. This is the 1971. Okay, and this is the PMOS technology and TTL logic. Logic using logic TTL. TTL means transistor logic. Transistor logic. Okay.
PMOS means
PMOS.
MOSFET.
P-type MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor. Okay. Okay, so this is the 4-bit microprocessor, and then almost developed 8-bit, 16-bit microprocessor, but these are mostly popular microprocessor is 4-bit microprocessor, and this microprocessor name 4004. Then this generation 4-bit microprocessor, another microprocessor is developed, but 4004. This is the one microprocessor of Intel company. Okay, Intel Corporation. Clear?
Yes.
And this is the second generation. Second generation, this is the during 1973. Okay, and this is the NMOS technology. And NMOS means N-type MOSFET. First generation developed P-type MOSFET, then second generation is developed N-type MOSFET. Okay, this is the faster speed, then higher density, compatible with this. The logic is TTL logic. All are logic, TTL logic, transistor logic. Okay, clear? And this is the 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit processor, but 8-bit processor. This is the this second generation is popular. This is the 8-bit processor. First generation, this is the 4-bit processor, and second generation, this is the 8-bit processor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
8-bit means at a time incoming outgoing 8-bit, and 4-bit means at a time incoming outgoing is the data passing. This is the 4-bit. Okay, 4 data 0 1 1 0. This is the 1 data. Okay, 4-bit data. Clear? And 8-bit means 8-bit data. And how many memory location create in this processor? 4-bit means 2 to the power 4. Total memory create 2 to the power 4 means 16. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And 2 to the power 8. How many location create internal memory, internal location? How many location create? 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 means
64.
64. 2 to the power 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
No, sir. 256, 256.
128, 256. Okay, so 2.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So, and this generation popular microprocessor name is Intel 8085 microprocessor. Okay, this is the 8085 microprocessor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
8085. This is the 8-bit processor, and this is the third generation. This is the HMOS technology. Hyper. Okay, MOSFET. Here. And this is the 16-bit. Double 4 8 16. 16-bit processor. This is the Intel 8086. Okay. This processor, this third generation processor in our syllabus. Okay, our syllabus, our topics, whole semester our syllabus topics Intel 8086. Okay, because this is the standard. Okay, all if you understand this 8086, then higher all our knowledge gathered is the processor, how the work, and what's the processor, how many data bus, how many control bus. Okay, all are clear. This is the third generation microprocessor 8086. So this is the standard microprocessor. Okay, clear? And now this is the fourth generation, and fourth generation is 80386, 80486. Okay, this is the 32 bits, and Pentium 1 also, this is the fourth generation microprocessor. Okay, then this is the fifth generation, and fifth generation, this is the all our 64 bits. Okay, now our 64 bits processor all are fifth generation. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
You know that now our processor is 64 bit, right? And
Yes, sir.
processor is 32 bits. 32 bits processor are all are fourth generation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the some description of generation of microprocessor. Okay. How many students join? 8%. So this is the generation of microprocessor. Okay. Now this is the just normal architecture of microprocessor. All microprocessor is mandatory in this part. Okay. Here, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you.
Oh, why not response?
I respond, sir, but I was muted. I thought that I was unmuted.
This Mustafa, all are not follow my rules. Also Amir and 30 bars rule 5. You know that I already declared your Zoom joining system. At first type your roll number, then your name hyphen your batch number.
Sorry, sir.
Like as Abdi Aziz, Abdi Rahman, Hassan, Misbah-ud-Dawla, okay. But you are not.
Me and Mustafa, Idris, and Bash Kadir. Okay, sir. I will change next classes. Inshallah.
I'll permit, okay, enable. Okay, enable rename. Okay, permitted rename, then all are just change your.
Sorry, sir.
I will permit.
Okay.
Permit you change your name. So just change. Okay, so just this continue this part. These are all microprocessor common block diagram. Okay? This is the common part of microprocessor. Clear? This is the one. This name is ALU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic Microprocessor mainly these the three parts. Mainly the three parts. One name is ALU. ALU, ALU. Okay. Bengali ALU. This is the potato. Okay. Just joke. Okay. ALU, ALU. Okay.
Okay. Alu, alu.
And another kochu. Like you know that kochu. Bengali vegetable kochu.
Koju, what's koju, sir?
Kochu. Alu kochu and masala.
Mashallah.
Okay,
Yes,
alu
I know
kochu
that.
and masala. This is the joking part. The microprocessor is three part. Alu kochu and masala. Okay. Alu means ALU, arithmetic logic unit, and kochu means control unit, CU. Okay. Control unit, and masala means memory. Okay. Masala means memory. This three part is named the microprocessor. Microprocessor main part is three. Clear? Alu, kochu, and
Yes.
masala. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Kochu means control unit, and masala means memory. Okay. So now ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic, you know that arithmetic. This is the mathematical part. Okay. Arithmetic means mathematical part, logical part, and arithmetical part. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Unit name is ALU. All calculating in our memory, our brain. Okay. Like as microprocessor, all calculating. Okay. So this ALU, this is the main part. Okay. Arithmetic and logic unit. And control unit, our whole body control in our brain. Okay.
Yes.
Like as our whole part is control the microprocessor. Okay. This the CU, control unit, all part control. There. And internal memory. Our, you know that our brain is storage the some memory. Okay. So these the memory are two types. Our brain also two types memory. This is the volatile and non-volatile. Okay. This is the long day storage, and this is the few days storage. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Long days storage, this is the secondary storage. Okay. Primary storage, this is the few minutes or few day storage. Okay.
Yeah.
Few hour storage. Like as you know that your before 7 days, how the work how many works for 7 days? No, but before before 1 year, like as your one friend birthday, this day you whole day your work all are memorized, because this is the special day, special memory reserve this. Okay. Or
Okay, sir.
for 1 year you just going to your homeland. Okay. Then this day is very memorized day. So this is the this is not volatile. Okay. This is the storage. Okay. So our memory, our microprocessor memory like types. This the one is the long time storage, and this the few hours or few minutes or few days storage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If your power off, then this the storage is clear. Okay. This called RAM. RAM. You know that RAM, our computer RAM.
Yes, sir.
And ROM, this is the read-only memory. This is the storage memory, ROM. Okay. And your hard disks, this is the secondary memory. This memory is the reserved if you save in your drive, hard disks, or your mobile storage, or your pen drive. Okay, these all are secondary storage. Okay, so this is the memory. So our computer microprocessor is 3 part. ALU means ALU. Okay, arithmetic logic unit, and another name is control unit, and finally another is the memory. So this was the functional block diagram. This is the common diagram. This is the ALU. This is the flag register. This is the register means this is the memory. Okay. Flag means indicate. You know that your Somalian flag, Bengali flag. Okay.
Yes,
Flag, this is the indicate, this is the country. Okay. So register flag, this is the indicate some work. Okay. This one flag name is sign flag. Sign flag means this is the positive result or negative result. Depend on your sign flag. Or carry flag. If your result is carry or non-carry. Zero flag.
Okay.
If your result is 0 or not 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Parity flag and etc. etc. Okay, I will discuss the previous next class. Okay, this is the flag register. So
okay.
flag register is the one part of the memory. Okay, register is the memory. Okay, so and this is the timing and control unit. This is the timing and control unit. Okay, and this is the instruction decoding unit. At first, this is the data bus to data passing this the register. Sorry, microprocessor. This is the at first data storage. This is the register array and internal memory, and then this data is decoding. Okay, data instruction decoding unit, and this is the PC and IP means program counter. This is the program counter, and this is the IP means instruction pointer. Okay, program counter and instruction pointer. All are these the declared this whole part. Okay. Yeah. You hear me?
Yes, sir. I can.
This is the IP instruction pointer. This work our all instruction location previously creating this the section where the location reserved is the instruction. Okay, suppose you are going to the cinema hall, so must be your seat is assigned, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
So who is assigned? Is the
ticket deliver.
assigned is the IP instruction pointer. Okay, instruction, all instruction is coming, and IP is create the location. Your location is this, your location is this, your location is this. You just sit down this section. You sit down this section. Okay.
Yes.
All are create the previously generate the location. is the IP. Okay, IP is very, very important part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And our bus means transfer. Okay, bus means transferring system. Our bus is three part. Is the one is the data bus. Data bus, all data is passing this the line. Bus, this the passing line. Okay, data passing line. This the data bus. Data bus is the bidirectional. Data incoming and outgoing. Okay, all data, all information is at first transfer your microprocessor, and microprocessor processing part complete. Then this the delivered. This the section. Okay, output section. So data all time bidirectional, incoming and outgoing. And address bus. Address bus is the all address location. Okay, all location and create the IP, and IP just the transfer this is data is transfer this location. Okay, and another data this the transfer this location. All are unidirectional. Address line is this the single direction. Clear? Unidirection.
Okay, sir.
Outgoing direction. Okay, and control bus. Control bus, this is the bidirectional. Control bus, this is the whole part control. At first signal, suppose our brain just you shocked your finger. Okay, then must be transfer your signal in your finger, and finger transfer in your brain. This is the injurious in your finger. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So this is the control, whole body control in our brain. Same whole part control in the microprocessor. So this is the control bus. This is the control. This line is control. This is the control. Okay, whole part is control in control bus. Control bus. This is the bidirectional. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. It's the direction of the all types inside the microprocessor.
Yes. Microprocessor incoming and microprocessor outgoing. Whole part is control. Okay. So this is the normal functional block diagram. Okay. Overall block diagram in microprocessor. Yeah. Now this is the overview of 8086 microprocessor. 8086. You know that our semester topics 8086 microprocessor. So this is the 8-bit microprocessor. 8086 microprocessor. Some description describe this the section 8086 microprocessor overview. You know that our 8086 microprocessor is 16-bit microprocessor. Already previously I will describe. Okay, our third generation microprocessor 8086, and this 8086 microprocessor is born in 1978. Okay, this is the 16-bit microprocessor, and this is the Intel Corporation developed the microprocessor is Intel. Okay, 8086, and this is the ASMOS technology. Okay, ASMOS.
Technology.
And how many transistor in available in this microprocessor? How many transistor?
29,000.
29,000. Can you imagine 29,000 transistor, including in small microprocessor 8086?
For how, sir?
Okay, and you know that our Pentium 1 microprocessor, how many transistor?
Only one transistor. It was one transistor.
Pentium 1, how many transistors?
Yeah.
We are only one transistor, sir.
Yes, how many transistors is including in Pentium 1 processor?
Yeah, BN.
Sorry?
Sorry, sir.
Pentium 1.
You
Yeah.
must, my brother. You must.
Pentium 1, how many transistors is including?
We don't know, sir.
Just you guess, how many? This is the 29,000 transistor is
First.
8086 microprocessor. And
Okay.
Pentium 1, this is the 3.1 million transistor. 3.1
Million.
1 million transistor.
3.1 million.
1 million transistor in small processor, small chip.
This,
Oh my God.
Okay. So this is the technology. How can set up?
Miji GBN.
So, and these the okay, just then these that microprocessor is 40 pin, okay, 40 pin microprocessor, okay, and these the 5 volt supply, and this the deep package. Deep package means die. Sorry, deep package means one line package, one in line, okay, dual in line package. Deep means dual line. Our 806 microprocessor just 1 minute. This is the dual line, okay, this one line, this another line, but now our processor is uh, full uh, 4 lines, okay, this line, all side is covered, okay. Yeah,
yes, sir.
but our previous microprocessor, this is the 8086, this is the dual line, dual in line package, deep, DI, dual in line, P means package, deep package, okay, clear. So this is the deep package, and this does not have internal clock, external automatical clock, okay, and duty cycle 33%, and this the memory, accessible memory. This microprocessor is 20-bit address line and 16 data line, okay. This microprocessor data line is 16, clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Data line is 16, but address line is 20. So address line 20 means 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20 accessible memory, 2 to the power 20, okay? Because this the data line is 20. Sorry, address line is 20. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One minute. Clear? So our memory, accessible memory 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20 means 1 megabyte. Okay, of memory space, internal memory space. Okay, and this the data bus is 16. Okay, data bus is 16. But this addressable memory 1 megabyte, this addressable memory has two parts. This is the two banking. Okay, memory bank is divided two parts. This is the even bank and this is the odd bank. All odd number address is called odd bank, and even number address is called even bank. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So how many even bank? 512, because 1 megabyte. So 1 megabyte means 1024 kilo. Clear?
Yes, sir.
1020 means 1 kilo. 1020, sorry, 1024.
1024, 1 kilo.
1024 means 1 kilo, and 1024 kilo means 1 mega. 1020 mega means 1 giga. 1024 giga means 1 tera. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You know that?
Yes, sir.
So this is the divide two, because this is the 50% is odd banking and 50% is even banking. So 512 kilo, this is the even bank, and 512 kilo is odd banking. Okay, two parts. Okay, and this microprocessor is two mode working. This is the minimum mode and maximum mode. I will describe in your pin diagram, then all part is described. Just today is discuss some overview, means microprocessor or microcontroller, microprocessor and 8086 microprocessor, all parties overview in this day. Okay, deeply our class start next week, and today we are completely part describe. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Okay, this is the next day topics, our pin diagram. Okay, so today our class is just, this is the first day, so today our class is finished. Okay, you just study microprocessor, overview the microprocessor, and overview the 8086 microprocessor. Okay, and your one assignment. This is the comparison between 8086 microprocessor and Pentium 1. The difference between, okay, or comparison. This is the assignment. Okay,
8086 and
8086 microprocessor and Pentium 1.
show me, sir. The other one.
Between, is the first assignment. Okay,
Sorry, sir.
Not to
submit in next class. Okay, our next Tuesday.
Husband also.
This assignment is, this is the very simple
comparison 8086 microprocessor and
80855.
no, 886 and Pentium 1 difference.
B?
Or Pentium 1.
Pentium 1 and 8086.
Pentium 1 processor and 8086 processor. Just
Okay. Okay, sir.
স্যার আপনি তাহলে একটু গ্রুপে কষ্ট করে টেক্সট করে দিয়ে দিয়েন আর কি
Yes.
You know
That's
that
good.
already 2 or 3 comparison already complete. Is suppose transistor, how many transistor Pentium 1? 3.1 million already declared. And 8086 transistor, how many?
29,000, sir.
29,000. And how many pins? Is the 40 pins. And
It's
Pentium
40 pins. How about that?
okay, 370 pin. Okay, Pentium 1. So how many voltage? This is the 5 volt and
Supply.
5 volt. Okay. So just comparison. Pentium 1 and 8086 microprocessor.
Okay, sir, inshallah.
The
Sir.
born 1978, but Pentium 1 born 81. Okay. 83, sorry, 83. So this is the difference or comparison, not difference, comparison, just compare. 8086 generation, Pentium 1 generation, 8086 born, Pentium born. Okay, this is the technology, 8086 technology, Pentium 1 technology. Pin, how many pins? 8086 Pentium 1. Address line, how many address line? Pentium 6, sorry, 8086 Pentium 1. How many data line? Okay, how many control bus? Okay, just some this comparison. Okay, clear?
No, sir.
Okay, so today
No, sir. Not clear.
okay, so
Sir, you can see it 8086, but team, how can we find it? How can we find it?
Google
Yeah.
Pentium 1 and 8086. These the if you search Google, all are find this section. Okay. Okay, so today join this class. How many? Now 13 person. Late. Okay, all are silent now. Just listen. Roll number. Date 21. Three 29. Asna এখন জয়েন করলাম। Nafisa, now you join. You are late. Roll 1. Abdurrahman, 4. Total 13%. Okay, now check. Amir,
Yes, sir.
29 batch, roll 1, 3, 7, 4, 7, 16 and 23. Okay, 30 batch.
15.
No, 16, 16. 29.
15. He was present, sir. He was present in the first time. 15.
Okay.
Maybe he has a network problem. But in the first class, he was present.
Okay, I'll check chat box. 3, 16. 30 he was not type his roll number in chat box.
Okay, sir.
So he's absent. Okay. Okay. So total 12%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3, 4, 5, 8, 13, 14. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
today our class is finished. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I already submit the presentation slide in your messenger group.
Okay, sir. The assignment name, can you tell us again?
Comparison between 8086 and Pentium 1. This is a very simple.
BNTM 1.
Pentium 1. Pentium.
Pentium.
Yes, Pentium 1.
يعني جروب صغرنا يعني شيء كده كمان.
Pentium 1
امير
brother.
صاحي جروب صوت ولا ساعه ما نفهم واحد مقال معك نيوي بنتيام مقال حتى
This is the just Google search. This is the Pentium 1.
Sir, is valid.
N T
B Pentium.
Pentium.
N T.
ام
اوكي هذا جو جروب كاكو صغر كده بنتيام
ما بص أنا ملينا.
واكا
Pentium.
بنتيام واكا
Pentium.
Yeah. The
Asa قرن.
Okay.
NE بلا يرنا.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
The old processor. Okay.
Okay, sir. Pentium 1 and 8086.
Let's comparison. Okay.
اوكي سر ان شاء الله
Okay, Pentium 1 and comparison. Okay. So
86 and Pentium.
okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
It's not complicated. It's a very simple. Just comparison.